In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to flip an illustration here in Canva. Now, this is extremely easy to do, and we can do this with Canva illustrations or our own illustrations as well. Now, once we have our illustration on the page or on the canvas, just like this, all we want to do is click on to that illustration, come up here to the left-hand side where it says flip. Now, if we click on there, we can flip this horizontally, like so, or we can flip this vertically, just like that as well. So that's just how easy it is to flip an illustration here in Canva. Now, if you found this video helpful at all, then please consider giving me a like, as it really helps out the channel. And if you're not too sure what to watch next, click right here and watch this playlist.